I want to share with you how I make money with affiliate marketing. I bet you 99.9% of people aren't doing it, and you'll be so excited about this information I'm about to reveal to you right now. I'm moving forward from here. You are not going to struggle with lead generation and making sales on the internet. Alright, without wasting much time, my name is Elvis Germany. I teach on skill affiliate marketers how to overcome lack of sales and build a profitable business that pays you on a monthly basis. Without wasting much time, let's dive into it. Okay, now this is my account here. Okay, let me take you to my Twitter so you can see some of the results yourself. So my name is Elvis Germany on Twitter. As you can see on the posts I've made here, and there's the one I've pinned on my pin post here. You think it's a lock? Alright, what is the number one skill to succeed affiliate marketing? And if you scroll through, you will see other sales on it that I've been able to make, alright, from different platforms and all of that. You're going to see it there. Also, if you go to my TikTok account, you are going to see it here, Elvis Germany digital marketing expert. Alright, this is my account on TikTok. Okay, you can as well go there and then check it out yourself and see other things, but I will showing you what I do, particularly, and how to do the same. If you just type elvisgermany.com.ng, it will take you to my website. You are going to see other content I've created and services I render as well. But for the purpose of this video, I want to share with you how I make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's dive into it. Now, all I do is I do content research. You can call it content marketing. Okay, that is all I do. And to kickstart it, what you need to do for you to search Google Trend, just go in your browser, you type Google Trend. Okay, and then once you go there, you just select Nigeria. Okay, let me show you again. If you go to the home page of Google Trend like this, it will open up like this for you. All you need to do, you have to select Nigeria, and then you need to explore it. Okay, now let's take marketing for instance. I just search marketing. So Google Trend is where you discover what is trending in the country where you are. For me right now, I'm in Nigeria, so I want to make a research on marketing. Just follow me through. I want to show you something. So when I scroll down, you can see that as of today is 1st December. The thing is on the rise here. People who are searching for anything marketing is on the rise because we are in the era of marketing. People want to sell their goods and all of that. So if you scroll down, you will find out that something of this nature, affiliate marketing program, is how to call it breakout. You have free online digital marketing courses. Okay, what is content marketing, mix marketing. So you will find out all the content that is related to marketing that is here. You see this one, marketing concept. Okay, now I will go back again. What I will do, I will just type affiliate marketing. So this is my niche where I am right now. So I'll just type affiliate marketing and I'll enter. So I want to see what is trending, in this space right here. So I will scroll down again. Now look at this. You see affiliate marketing programs, and then you see affiliate marketing websites, and then prompt end. Do you understand? Now I get to make content on this. This is a secret, and this is a mind-blowing secret I'm sharing. I'm revealing to you right here. So I get to make a content on this, okay, and allow it for you to rank very well on Google search, and then people are going to locate me with this. So to do that, I'll go on my website and I create content on this affiliate marketing programs. All right. Then I go to my TikTok handle. When I get to my TikTok handle, I get to create content like this. Content I will write on it affiliate marketing website. I'm going to explain it in a detail, in a nutshell, how affiliate marketing website works, and I will list as many as possible: register, prompt, and expert near, stake codes, and all of that. So I will create content specifically for that search volume. Okay, the moment I do that, you're going to rank on Google, and then anyone that watches my video, they can from that place and contact me. Okay, I also do the same on my YouTube. If you're on my YouTube channel here, you find that I do a lot of review and a lot of tutorial about affiliate marketing. That is how people going to find me, okay, and then they're going to contact me. I also do the same on my Twitter account. Okay, do the same on my website, creating content. Okay, also for me to boost it higher, I'll go to Quora and Naira Rand, whereby I will write content again to do another SEO research again, which is to discover the search intent of people. So I will talk more about that one. I will write more about the search intent in order to match the search query. Anyone that is searching for affiliate marketing website, I mean that the person is interested in affiliate marketing, so the person is kind of researching affiliate marketing website he or she can join. So my work is for me to teach the person what is affiliate marketing website, and then numerous one advantage and disadvantage of each of them, and then list the one I think is more important for a beginner. So by teaching of that nature, the person can make choice. So if I list many websites there, the individual can now make his or her choice, choose the one he or she want to join, and by so doing, anyone he chooses to join, I'm an affiliate with the platform. The person can easily click on my affiliate link and register. That is why you see I have so many affiliate marketing platforms which I partner with. This is called content marketing strategy. Without advertisements, that is how I promote my affiliate marketing offer here in Nigeria, and I make crazy money on a monthly basis. Okay, so if you want to learn content marketing, which is how to use content marketing and sell a lot of your product on the internet, okay, click on this video here. It's going to show you how to use content marketing and sell your products targeting your ideal audience. Okay, if you have not followed this account, do well to follow this account. Okay, subscribe, right, leave in the comment section what you like about this post I just made for you. Okay, every Germany, peace, catch you later, bye for now.